Hello children, good morning. Children, today will be take up the Hindi lesson part 6 Murk Dhobi. Okay? Lesson 6 The Foolish Washerman. So washerman means who wash the clothes of the people. So generally the washerman will be having the donkeys along with them, right? To take the clothes, the bundle of clothes from one place to another. So how there was a foolish in the sense someone had made him fool. There, see, when we go out, many people will be like fooling us by their wit and humor. Yes, so they'll try to fool, and there are some people, dishonest people, who we cannot trust. By telling one or the other thing, telling many stories, they'll make us believe whatever they are telling. So that is not our foolishness, children. It is bad for them. We should never fool anyone. So here, how the washerman got fooled by two rogues. Okay. एक धोबी था, उसके पास एक गधा था. So there was a one washerman and he was having one donkey. एक बार वह शहर से अपनी गांव की तरफ लौट रहा था. So he was returning from the city to his own village. चलते चलते धोबी को लगा कि गधा हाँफ रहा है. So when he was by sitting on the donkey, he was moving towards his village. So when he felt that the donkey is feeling anxiety, that means it got very tired, he got down from the donkey. वहाँ तुरंत गधे की पीठ से उतर गया. He got down and you see the conversation between here. धोबी, अरे गधे, चलते चलते थक गए हो क्या? Oh dear donkey, you got tired I think by walking from so much a distance. चलो मैं भी पैदल ही चलता हूँ. Then he got down from the donkey and he was telling, चलो I will also walk along with you instead of sitting on back of you. वहाँ गधे की रस्सी पकड़कर पैदल चलने लगा. So he tied there was a rope in his neck, the donkey's neck, and he holded one end and he was holding the donkey's that rope and he was walking. रस्सी पकड़कर पैदल चलने लगा. आगे धोबी पीछे गधा. उसी समय दो ठगों ने उन्हें देखा. So when he was walking, he was front and donkey was back. Okay. So two of the mischievous people, the two men, saw him walking along with the donkey. So they were having one plan how to take the donkey without hurting or without the washerman coming to know that they have stole his donkey. They thought one plan. So पहला ठग, अरे रामू, they both are talking. The mischievous men are talking with each other. अरे रामू, धोबी का गधा तो मोटा तगड़ा लग रहा है. अरे look रामू, the washerman's donkey is looking very stout and healthy. I want that donkey. So दूसरा ठग, यह गधा हमें मिल जाए तो मजा आ जाए. So another boy was telling, if we get that donkey, we'll feel very happy, we'll be very excited. पहला ठग, इस गधे को ठगने की तरकीब मेरे पास है. How to abduct, how to kidnap, how to take away without knowing to the washerman. I have one plan in my mind. दूसरा ठग बोला, जल्दी बताओ, tell me fast, how we can. पहला ठग, तुम चुपके से धोबी के पीछे जाओ और गधे की गर्दन से रस्सी निकालकर मेरे गले में डालो. Now one of the guys, the first guy is telling, you go back of that man and slowly you take out the rope from donkey's neck and you put that to my neck. Okay, so that the washerman think that he was carrying the man, not the donkey, on the way. So they both agreed for this plan. Now दूसरा ठग, अगर धोबी को पता चल गया तो the second man is telling that what if the washerman come to know that we are playing a mischievous game in back of him. So पहला ठग, बिल्कुल भी नहीं चलेगा, तुम जल्दी करो. The first one is assuring that उसको पता नहीं चलेगा, तुम जल्दी से करो और धीरे से करो. धीरे means without making much noise. दूसरा ठग चुपके से धोबी के पीछे गया. उसने गधे के गले से रस्सी निकालकर अपने साथी के गले में डाल दी. फिर गधे का कान पकड़कर एक और ले गया. So he went back slowly back of that washerman. He have taken the rope from the donkey. Donkey was not making noise. It was just, that is an animal, right? It cannot tell to the washerman that someone is playing a game here. So the second man went slowly there and it have taken the rope from him, and to the first man he have tied the rope to his neck, and he have taken, the second man have taken the donkey back to the one tree over there. So पकड़कर ले गया. थोड़ी दूर चलकर पहला ठग रुक गया. धोबी ने सोचा गधा रुक गया है. उसने जोर से रस्सी खींची. ठग फिर भी नहीं चला. धोबी ने पीछे मुड़कर देखा तो दंग रह गया. So after walking for some time, the washerman was taking the first man along with him, who was having the rope around his neck. So he was taking and was pulling. He was pulling. Why I think the donkey got more tired that it is not even moving. So it was just pulling, but also the man was not moving. So the dhobi, the washerman, thought, why, what happened? When he looked back, he was very much astonished. He was very shocked to see how come a donkey have changed into the man, alive man. धोबी, अरे कौन हो तुम? मेरा गधा कहाँ है? He was asking, who are you? Where is my donkey? Tug, मालिक, मैं ही आपका गधा हूँ. Now he started fooling that man. He was telling, master, I am only your donkey. मालिक मतलब क्या है? Master. तो धोबी, पर यहाँ कैसे हो सकता है? गधा आदमी कैसे बन सकता है? He was telling, he asked the washerman, how it is possible? How the donkey can change into a man? तब बहुत दिन पहले एक महात्मा ने शाप देकर मुझे गधा बना दिया था. आज वो शाप पूरा हो गया, इसलिए मैं फिर से इंसान बन गया हूँ. अब आप आज्ञा दे तो मैं अपने गांव लौट जाऊँ. Now this man was telling, long ago one of the saint have cursed me. That means शाप हमें बड़ा. Okay, he have cursed me to change. I was a woman only. He changed me into a donkey. So today that curse have fulfilled. Now I have turned back into a man. Please, you also give me the permission so that I can go back to my home. धोबी को उसकी बात पर यकीन हो गया. The washerman immediately believed that fellow who was telling this whole story, because he was telling full-heartedly. This washerman believed that maybe this was a real thing, and I was thinking that it is my donkey, and actually donkey was a human being. धोबी, वाह, या तो बहुत खुशी की बात है. तुम जल्दी से घर जाओ और अपने घर वालों से मिलो. He was said, the washerman told, wow, this is such a beautiful and good news. You immediately go to your home and go meet your family members. Tug, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मालिक. Now the mischievous man, what he did, he have joined his hands and he was telling, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. That means, thank you master, thank you very much. He started to his home. यहाँ कहकर ठग अपने साथी की ओर चल दिया. After telling this, he went to his friend. The first man went to his friend. धोबी भी अपने गांव जाने के लिए आगे बढ़ गया. So धोबी also, the washerman also thought, oh, I have done a very good job. Now I have sent the man who I was thinking that it was a donkey, and I have done a very good job. He started towards his village. So कुछ दूर जाकर ठग अपने साथी से मिला. गधा पाकर दोनों बहुत खुश हुए. वे धोबी की मूर्खता पर काफी देर तक हंसते रहे. Now the second man went to the first man, and by seeing that washerman is going to his village, they have taken the donkey as well, and by seeing that the foolishness of the washerman, these both guys were laughing like anything. They were unable to stop their laugh, and they have even taken the donkey by fooling a simple man. It's very bad, no children? But the lesson is very interesting. See how we are learning a lesson here, how the people can fool you right under your nose. It's always better you think before you do anything. Okay children? सब कुछ आपको करना है, but सोच समझ कर. Okay, go through the lesson once again. We'll meet up in the next class along with the notes. Bye-bye.